Hello students, in this class we will be learning comprehension question. Now we are still on how to become very good in reading a comprehension passage, having a proper understanding and also giving correct answers to a comprehension passage. Now one thing you should know is that every comprehension passage comes with its questions. Yes, every comprehension passage comes with its question, which is otherwise known as comprehension question. Now, this question check how well we understand the passage that we just read or we've read so far. Now, like I said earlier, the question check how well we understand a comprehension passage. Now, one thing you should know is this: for you to have a very good understanding of a comprehension passage, do well to ask yourself questions. A comprehension questions come in form like we have what, where, when, why, and how. So these are the 5 W's and the 1 H question. The 5 W's and the 1 H question. I want you to take note of this word, and whenever you're reading a comprehension passage, do well to use these words to ask yourself question on the comprehension passage, because that is the only way you can have a proper understanding of what the comprehension passage entails. Now we are going to go through a very short comprehension passage, and we are going to imagine that we produce questions like this after reading the comprehension passage, and by the end we'll also give answers to the question. Now let's read the short passage. Please do well to listen. On Monday morning, Ada went to the market with her mother. They bought fruits, vegetables, and fish. When they got home, Ada helped her mother to cook. The food smelled so nice that their neighbors came to visit. Now, this is a short passage. So a comprehension question, check how well we understand a passage. And like I said earlier, when you read a comprehension passage, make sure you use the 5 W's and 1 H to cross-check, to assess yourself if you truly understand this passage. Now, let's take a look at the 5 W's and 1 H question for this comprehension passage. The first question says, it uses the first W, what? What did Ada buy at the market? The second W, where? Where did Ada go with her mother? The third W, when? When did Ada go to the market? The fourth W, why? Why did the neighbors come to visit? And the number 1 H, how? How did Ada help her mother? All right. Now, if you're able to construct questions like this, I bet you that you would have a proper understanding of what the comprehension passage entails. Now, let's give answers to this comprehension question that we just formed. What did Ada buy at the market? So, if you look at the comprehension passage, there's a part that says they bought fruit, vegetables, and fish. So, the answer to this is Ada bought fruit, or she bought fruit, vegetables, and fish in the market. Please do not forget that whenever you're giving answers to the comprehension question, make sure your answers are written in full. So if you answer this question, you don't say fruit, vegetable, and fish. That is very wrong. You say she bought fruit, vegetable, and fish in the market. Now the second W question, WH question we have, where did Ada go with her mother? That is the location where Ada went to with her mother. Ada went to the market with her mother. That is the answer to the second question. Now the third question, the third WH says, when did Ada go to the market? The answer is Ada went to the market with her mother on Monday morning. All right. The fourth WH question says, why did the neighbors come to visit? Why did the neighbors come to visit? And the answer is the neighbor came to visit because they perceived the food that was prepared by Ada and her mother. All right. The last question, which is the 1H, says, how did Ada help her mother? The answer is Ada assisted her mother to cook in the kitchen. All right, so these are the 5WH and the 5WH question and the 1H question that you can take note of and give answers to it. Also, question yourself whenever you read a comprehension passage. So please do well whenever you're reading a comprehension passage, do well to write down the 5WH and ask yourself this question as related to the comprehension passage. And if you are able to give correct answers to it, it shows that you have a very good understanding of that comprehension passage.